Okay, on this question, we have got, let me bring it down here for us. F of x equals 4 natural log 5 times x. Okay. And I want to take the derivative. Now, remember the derivative of the natural log of x, the derivative rule, is a nice one. It's just 1 over the argument. Okay, so we go, okay, derivative. Now, what about that 4 in the front? Well, any number multiplying a function just sits there multiplying, spectator. And then how do you do the natural log of something, the derivative? You do 1 over the argument, right? The whole 5 plus x goes down there because that's what this rule says. In the math science formulas, x is just holding a spot, right? So basically it's saying whatever you have the natural log of, put 1 over that, and that's your derivative. So I go 1 over that whole argument. That's how natural log derivative always works. It's 1 over the whole argument. But don't forget about chain rule. Remember, whenever the inside of any function is anything other than a simple x, the chain rule says, oh, chain rule, you gotta take the derivative of 5 plus x. But derivative of 5 plus x is just 1, so it's not going to do anything, right? Do you see that? Because what's the derivative of 5? 0. What's the derivative of x? Well, the 1 comes down. It's just 1. So actually, if you didn't even notice chain rule, you got lucky. Oh, this 4 will go to the top. So it'll be 4 over 5 plus x. There's our first answer. That's what they got there. Is that making sense there? Because that 4, 4 is over 1, so it goes to the top. But yeah, even if you forgot about the chain rule on this one, you got lucky because the derivative of the inside is just 1. So really, you could skip it. So there's our derivative. Now, in the last part of the question, they want you to plug a 1 in. So just plug a 1 in right there. Get 4, 6. Hit the buttons on your calculator. 6, 6, 6. Use Desmos calculator, whatever. And so there we go.